on an old wooden sidewalk in my little town where I was born long ago. I can't hear a whisper, not even a sound. Where did the people all go? There's a tumble-down cabin standing alone. No shutters, no windows, no doors, and an old rocking chair covered with dust, and I can see holes in the floor. Voices, voices are calling to me, voices of long, long ago. Out of the past they're torturing me, voices of people that I used to know. There's a vine covered trail leading away up on the side of the hill, down by the river, just past the bay. I played beside that old mill. On an old wooden sidewalk in my little town where I was born long ago. I can't hear a whisper, not even a sound. Where did the people all go? Voices, voices are calling to me, voices of long, long ago. Out of the past they're torturing me, voices of people that I used to know.
The sounds of the city are getting to me now. Oh, how I want to get away, but Lord, I can't somehow. The dark and sunless tunnels echo with a million feet. I see 1,000 faces, but there's no one I can greet. I see the old man sleeping on his bench in the park, his face a map of wrinkles, and he sits there until dark, then slowly turns and shuffles up a lonely, dingy stair. Yes, Lord, I know he hasn't got anyone to care. The sounds of the city, the sounds of the city are getting to me now. My room is cold and lonely as I lock my door each night. I look upon my childhood days in such a different light. These four walls that surround me cast a shadow on my mind. The sounds of the city I want to leave behind. So I'm standing at the station looking at the trains. Guess I'll buy a ticket and be a country boy again. But I turn around and change my mind, I'll leave it for today. Back to the concrete jungle, but tomorrow I'll be on my way. The sounds of the city, the sounds of the city are getting to me now. of the city, the sounds of the city are getting to me